Hello, today we will see different OS services. So there are total 9 operating system services which are provided by the operating system to the user. So what are the different services provided by the operating system? Very first service is user interface, second is program execution, and third is IO operations. Total there are 9 services which are provided by operating system. उसमें से पहला है आपका यूज़र इंटरफेस. इट इज़ वेरी सिंपल टू राइट. जो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम के साथ आप कम्युनिकेट करते हो या कंप्यूटर सिस्टम के साथ आप कम्युनिकेट करते हो तो उसके दो तरीके होते हैं. एक तो आप कमांड लाइन के थ्रू कर सकते हो, नहीं तो ग्राफिकल यूज़र इंटरफेस के थ्रू कर सकते हो. कमांड लाइन इंटरफेस यानी आप कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट जो ओपन करते हो और उसके साथ जो कम्युनिकेट करते हो तो दैट इज़ द कमांड लाइन इंटरफेस. और ग्राफिकल यूज़र इंटरफेस यानी आपका माउस क्लिक वगैरह होता है, आप आइकॉन के ऊपर क्लिक करते हो, दैट इज़ योर ग्राफिक्स यूज़र इंटरफेस. So UI is nothing but the service which is provided by operating system. प्रोग्राम एग्जीक्यूशन, कोई भी प्रोग्राम आप लिखते हो तो उसको मेमोरी में लोड करना, उसके बाद उसको एग्जीक्यूशन करना, तो ये इसके बीच में जो भी चीज़ें होती है दैट इज़ प्रोवाइडेड और दैट इज़ एग्जीक्यूटेड बाय प्रोग्राम एग्जीक्यूशन. So right from executing the program and terminating it normally or abnormally by indicating the errors, ये सब चीज़ें आपका ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम करता है, दैट इज़ प्रोग्राम एग्जीक्यूशन. IO ऑपरेशंस यानी इनपुट आउटपुट ऑपरेशंस. जो आपका प्रोग्राम होता है उसके लिए अलग अलग इनपुट आउटपुट डिवाइसेस लगते हैं एंड यू गिव डिफरेंट इनपुट्स बाय यूजिंग कीबोर्ड माउस एंड यू गेट सम आउटपुट. सो दैट इज़ अवेलेबल और दैट इज़ possible due to operating system services. Second service or another services are file system manipulation, communication and error detection. File system manipulation, what is file system manipulation? File system manipulation means you can manipulate the files and what is the manipulation? So manipulation is nothing but you can read the file, write the file, you can search the file, you can list the file. Then permission management, what permission has to be given to a particular file, that is provided by operating system. Communication process, your program may have different processes and these processes have to exchange the information from one process to another process on same network or on same computer or between computers. So communication via shared memory is also possible due to operating system. Error detection, OS needs to be constantly aware of possible errors. It may be chance that there may be an error in CPU and memory hardware, IO devices or in the user program. For each type of error, OS should take the appropriate action and ensure the correct and consistent computing. Debugging facilities can greatly enhance the users and programmers' abilities and efficiently use of the system. If there is a problem in your program, you debug the program. So this debugging facility is also provided by the operating system via assembler or compiler. And last services are resource allocation, accounting and protection and security. So these are the last three. Resource allocation, there are different resources. The resources are, it may be your memory, it may be your printer, it may be your hard disk. So what are the different there are different resources for which the process is waiting for. So resource allocation for multiple running job, अगर आपको मल्टी प्रोग्रामिंग ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है सो एट अ टाइम मल्टीपल जॉब्स रन होते हैं, एट अ टाइम साइमल्टेनियसली मल्टीपल प्रोसेसेस एग्जीक्यूट होती है. सो टू एग्जीक्यूट दिस मल्टीपल और साइमल्टेनियस प्रोसेसेस, रिसोर्स एलोकेशन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. And for this resource allocation, different scheduling algorithms are used and these are provided by operating systems. Accounting is nothing but the track of which users use how much and what kind of computer resources, that is the accounting. Accounting here is nothing but how many resources are used by the particular kind of users. So that is the accounting. Protection and security. Protection and security is provided by authentication. Protection and security is provided by the authentication and access protection. So protection is given by ensuring that all access to system resources is controlled. So particular resource have some resource has some access permission. हर रिसोर्स को हर परमिशन रहती है, ऐसे नहीं होता है. सो टू विच रिसोर्स which permission is should be given, that is decided by operating system. And security is nothing but the authentication to protect your system from the outside users.